Okay, so I'll take a look at the page speed score. So page speed web. So the one we use in the app is is pretty good, but this one is more accurate. So you can see right away what's cool about your site. You can see that this top part right here is basically telling you discover what your real users are experiencing. So it's a 28-day like running average of the scores. So it's like instead of generating a like one-time snapshot, and sometimes like it could be like up or down, like depending on the like time of day or something. This gives you like an
Hmm.
average. So this is really like what people are experiencing. So you can see that you do have an LCP issue on mobile, which is pretty common. It's hard
Okay.
to get this in the green. This one, like you're right on the cusp. We'll see. Definitely try to fix that. The TTFB, usually you could get that down. The CLS is good. IMP is good. Time to first byte. That's usually the server. I'll take a look at what might be causing that. I think
Okay.
that should be odd. Let's see on your desktop. Okay, you're right on the cusp as well. We
We'll
definitely
see.
should be
Yeah.
able, yeah. Desktop is usually like it should be easily all green, so we should be able to fix that.
Okay.
I don't know if I would rate it an E. Well, here the performance is saying pretty bad, but
Yeah, I know one thing we have, we've installed so many apps over the years,
right.
and we don't use a lot of them now, but sometimes I do worry that some bits of code have been kind of left behind, but I don't really know if that's the case or not.
Okay. So here you have something with Klaviyo, your track analytics is not, I guess, connected right. Maybe something to do with an extension. GetRedo. Do you know GetRedo?
Yeah, that's our returns software. It's our return portal and everything.
Okay,
And I
cool.
blocked it. I clicked the button and blocked it yesterday, and then I got scared because I was like, what if I broke something and it doesn't work anymore? But it appears to still be working. So,
It didn't actually block it, eh? Because it shouldn't. But this, yeah, like the block button should block it, but maybe it's not. We'll have to take a look at that. Redo already
okay.
loaded. It looks like it's just loading two times. It's kind of right. I'll show you why.
Okay.
Again with the same Claudius. That's only two things actually right there for the main things. Not a big deal. Um, the random things here. Swiper is a bit slow. Nothing too crazy. Oh, some of these images definitely we need to optimize these.
Okay.
Right. Where is this showing up on your site? Do you know?
I believe that is on the home page.
Right.
Just looking.
So
Might be on the listing actually. It used to be on. I just redid the homepage, so I think it was on the homepage, but I don't think it actually is on the homepage.
right.
Oh, it
It's
is
like
actually on
right
the
here.
homepage. Never mind, it is
Right. Okay.
on
Um,
that scroll.
Usually to fix those, we could just run um this one, the theme images one. Have you done this one? And it didn't.
No, I have not done that actually.
Okay, right. Yeah, so this will usually fix that.
Okay.
Um, the one thing it'll also update the banner. So I'm guessing the LCP issue is probably related to your like. Yeah, I mean this is nice. Looks good. Looks like yeah, just the images would need to be optimized for there. Let's see this. Oh, this is yeah, that's too long. You
Yeah,
have
it
an
is
issue
pretty
there.
slow loading a
Yeah,
lot of the collection pages.
yeah, that's probably causing an issue right there. It's because it's using like JavaScript to load. You see, it's like yeah, there's
Hmm.
something. Um, might need to look at your theme settings to see if we can maybe turn off some stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Right. What is that? It's like doing
Yeah,
some weird
I
stuff in the
always see that when
console.
I inspect, and I'm like, why in the heck does it have this huge? I don't know.
Wow.
I assume it doesn't affect anything, but it's
No,
like they
but
put some design in there.
yeah, it's like the guys who made it are pretty designery, which you can kind of tell. You see this? You see how it's doing that?
Yeah.
Because
Oh
there's like
gosh.
too much animation stuff going on, and we could just like maybe even like just turn off. Yeah, this would need to be tweaked. We'll take. Sometimes it's just fixing this stuff and not knowing if it directly affects anything. Like you kind of just fix it, and then hopefully it fixes other things in the process in terms
Yeah.
of performance scores and stuff. Wow, that's really wild, man. Wow, I've never seen that before. Yeah, it's nice though. I mean, I think it looks nice. I think you just need to just fix the like the animations. Just maybe like get rid of them. A lot of times, the best thing you can do is just get rid of all the animations. Just
Okay.
make things, yeah, like as responsive as possible. Yeah, this is fine. This is good for your menu. Yeah, it's good. Um, the menu speed is often the score like this INP, interaction to next page.
Hmm.
So that's why you're passing, because actually your menu is properly fast. And what was that script that was supposed to be blocked, but it's not? It's get Rito. Let's see.
Yeah, that's like the if you go to our return portal, it's on the top menu. It's
Get Rito. It's not showing up here. You said what? On your top menu?
yeah,
Oh my
it's on the hamburger menu too, but it's just where it says returns.
god. Right. Rito. Okay. Oh, it's a link. Like it's an app that's doing this, right? Apps,
Yeah, it's like
Rito.
an external. Yeah.
Ah, okay, so you need it. Okay, it's just loading twice. Okay. Well, that's what it says. And you have it blocked on the. I'm surprised it's not showing an error. Maybe it's on the homepage. Let me try this again. Where are we?
No, when I blocked it, all of a sudden I realized it's like, oh crap, I might have just done something. It wasn't good.
Well, yeah, maybe
But
because it's because you're blocking. It might. I don't know if it blocks both because it blocks that like script name,
Mhm.
Rito.js. So it might actually. Usually you don't have that error where it's like a double load issue, and to get rid of it, um, what you could do is like uninstall and reinstall the app because the reason. So if you search the code for Redo, so you see redo.com. How about that? Right. So it's under the blocked still and up promote.
Oh yeah, I did block up remote yesterday. We don't even use that app, so the code somehow was just
So it looks like
left
it.
in there.
Yeah. So it must be working. If well, because what happens is that okay. So this area right here, this async load. There's like a place
Mhm.
where like old apps used to load up their scripts, and now they use the app
Okay.
embeds. You know, if you go to if you go to your online store and you go to customize and then you go to right here app embeds. So
Mhm.
here you might see the get Rito. See, here's the Rito app embed that you
Mhm.
have turned on, but this replaces the other code. But because you've had this app on for so long, I'm assuming that this app has like actually been using it for like years. That
Yeah, I think we've been using it for like two or like a year and a half, maybe.
right, yeah. I think they got rid of about a year and a half. They don't allow this anymore, but like old apps are still stuck here. And the way to get rid of
Oh,
it is to I think uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Now
okay.
I don't know like I can't tell you to go and do that, but that would be the way to do it. Like, it might depend on the app. You might want to contact them and say, hey, is it okay if I uninstall and reinstall? You might have to purchase the
Okay.
membership again. I don't know.
I'll
But
make a note to ask.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, you could potentially even turn this off and it probably wouldn't have it. We can test it. Redo.
Okay.
Oh, you turned it back on here. Why does it say it's blocked? Oh, get Redo. You have this one.
Oh, so it's two.
Oh, and you have another one here.
Oh yeah,
Main.js.
that's the embedded one.
Right.
Is the other one not? It said maybe the other one is the old one that it's blocking.
Yeah. I'm not seeing any errors here. Usually, if it's blocked, they won't show any errors.
Okay.
And when this says blocked by client, doesn't mean the same type of block. It's like a different block. Usually, this means that it's like it's an old script. Maybe you wouldn't need. Maybe it's just it's generating an error like early, but like in the browser, it's not. Maybe it's generating it like off the server, like off of a different type of
Okay.
crawl. So if you don't see any errors here, um, you should be good as long as this thing's not hiding the errors. Sometimes there's
Okay.
some scripts that'll hide them. Really clean, nice and clean theme. This is one thing you have. So you have something overriding the meta title, the the meta titles. Up to you if you
Oh
want. What
really?
it's basically doing is if there's a search, it's adding the search terms. Okay. Otherwise, the title. Yeah, that's just a search. How's that? And if current tags, it's adding tags. Escaped. Contains shop name. Unless it contains shop name, it's adding the dash shop name. So that's up to you
Okay.
if you want to do that or not. But so it'll always add a dash shop name. So if you
Okay.
basically go to like the SEO editor and you click Google, you can usually see like, right, you can't even see it because it's so long. So
Mm-hmm.
like right here it's there. Here it's
Oh yeah.
not. But here it's not being added. Or I mean here it's
Yeah. I
plus
don't know if
size
that's because
rain
I've
jackets.
recently. That's the page I've been doing a lot of work on for like in terms of SEO.
This particular like the collections.
Mm-hmm. The collection, and then I'm starting to go through every single rain jacket and try to optimize the product pages too.
Okay. Where's title? Title. Oh, maybe there is no title in there. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it is there.
Oh, there it is.
No country. Yeah, it's just that Google's cutting it out. So that's another thing you'll see is that Google does that. It'll actually change meta titles and yeah,
It gets a mind of its own.
yeah, like it it kind of thinks that it knows better, which it might in some many
Probably does.
cases.
Yeah, sometimes.
Um, the best is to just follow a certain strategy when writing meta titles, and hopefully it doesn't overwrite them. Um, where's the description? I just saw it. It's all the way down here. Oh, there's a lot of scripts.
Yeah, so many JavaScripts.
Yeah, a lot. Oh, you also have p tags in your meta description. Okay, that's not right. You did this?
hmm
Right. So that you don't want to do. Like this shouldn't
That
be
I don't know
anything.
why. I just did it within Shopify. Like I went and changed the
Right.
meta title and description in the collection page.
Um, let's see for settings. Right. Let's check this off. Section definition. I'll just turn that off. be good if you turn these. Oh, I see, because you want to do it like this. All right. It's in the shop now. Yeah, see, it's gone now. Right, see, that's why it's tricky. Yeah, much better. Wow. Yeah, just stick with stick with the no animation, right? Cool.
Yeah, it doesn't even make a difference to me, so it makes it faster than
Yeah,
100%.
yeah. No fancy stuff. Fancy stuff that gets you in
Yeah,
trouble.
especially when I feel like we have so many. I mean, we have like thousands of SKUs, so I think
Yeah,
if we can do to streamline it, it should.
yeah, way better. I wonder if it would be better for you. Just an idea is like you start with these open, like these two maybe, instead of having people click on it, like reducing the number of clicks.
Yeah,
Might be an
yeah,
idea.
I have tried that. The only reason I had them closed is just because listings like this, where we don't have a ton of images, it just ends up kind of being
Yeah,
asymmetrical, and I was getting a little anal about it. But that was probably just my OCD. It's
yeah,
probably easiest to have at least the features open.
yeah, probably. Yeah, I think
Most
it's
listings we have more pictures too, but this one we just didn't have as many.
yeah. You might want to. It might be good for your SEO too to have like the content showing. Google
Okay.
can be a bit. It knows, like if things are hidden and stuff. So
Mm-hmm.
it might be advantageous to have things open. Where to
Okay.
move,
Yeah. Let me.
or even yeah, it depends on your theme. But besides that, it looks everything looks clean. I think this is fixed. Wait, where was it a big problem? Was it over here?
That was so much faster.
Oh
Oh yeah. It's
man,
definitely better.
animation.
It's not doing as
It's not doing as
it's doing a little
much.
bit, but it's
Yeah.
definitely way less.
Let's see if I can quickly solve it. This right here. What is this? Durations. Duration fast. Huh. Let's see here. Yeah. Make sure. You just use deep. Yeah. Okay. 36 collections. Okay. That's good.
Yeah, I use that for most of them, but a
That's
lot
good.
of collections I do have like custom.
Theme settings. This thing product grid. Show swatch. Oh, enable animation. See ya. See ya. No animations. That makes it easy. No more animations.
Yeah, the filter is kind of glitched out. I'm trying to work with them right now.
Cool. Yeah. Whee. Working. No animations, bro. Okay, no more.
Yeah, that's way better.
Let's get rid of that. Yeah. You don't want no fancy stuff, man. It's
Yeah,
always
that's
glitch city. Glitch
Mm-hmm.
city, bro. Okay, so it's only loading. That it's the code itself then. Because the sizen plugin dot prod. it's doing it here again too. Kiwi, do you pay for them?
Yep.
I think it'd be another good one to uninstall, reinstall, to take
Okay.
note.
I'll make note of
Like,
that.
yeah, like contact them. Like the idea is that you want to get rid of their like old script. You could tell them like, oh, like I have this like I've had your plugin on for a long time, and it's like including a script like through a script tag. It's called script tags. So you could say like it's still loading the script tag. I want to get rid of it, and I want to use an app embed only. Um,
Okay, so including old script tag.
yeah, like you could say the same thing to repo or redo. Um, they have the same issue where it's like I want to just get rid of
Okay,
the old code and like I'm pretty
and
sure
judge me also.
Judge Me also, like you can contact and Judge Me has good support, so you should be able to reach out to him super fast.
Okay,
Um,
yeah, I'll do that right after this call and reach out to all three of them and just see if either A, they can, would they maybe be able to just remove it, or do people
I
need
don't,
to
I
like
just don't, I just
uninstall
don't think they have the ability anymore.
it?
I
Okay,
think it's just Shopify removed that that ability. Oh, we gotta go through all these settings. Oh, you don't have anything on. Oh shoot,
yeah, I
crazy.
didn't really know what to turn on or what not to turn
Right,
on.
right. I gotta turn all this stuff on. And what were we talking about? We are talking about repo and what was the other one? Redo and
Redo, Kiwi,
Kiwi.
sizing,
Kiwi.
and
Yeah,
judge me.
ask them if they have an app embed. It looks like they don't even have one. Yeah, so because
Hmm.
usually it should replace the old code with the app embed. Then when you have the app embed, it won't be loading that script on the wrong page. See, it's like loading that like
Okay.
product script on all your pages
And
instead
so
of
that's a huge issue we've had is this, it takes forever to load sometimes to where customers sometimes are like, why don't you have a sizing chart? But it's probably because it's having to run a script instead of an embed, right?
yeah, yeah, absolutely. And it
Okay.
could be blocking everything maybe. It's supposed to load it
Yeah, so
async, but you never know, like maybe their servers are not working right.
okay.
Um,
Yeah, I'm gonna ask them if they have an embed. I'm sure they must have an embed. I mean, because it has been really a huge issue with Kiwi where things that customers are struggling to even see them show up and it takes forever to load sometimes.
okay, perfect.
That's interesting.
Yeah,
That
there's
makes sense.
Kiwi, there's Judge Me, there's
Oh yeah, that's
PWZ
our
tag.
variant on collection page app.
Okay. They're also up promote.
Which
Okay.
I just removed that app.
Up promote, you removed it just now? Oh,
No, like yesterday evening I uninstalled it.
you did uninstall, you sure? Because this should disappear.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I did. Let me double check. Up.
Like when you install it, it
Yeah,
should go away.
yeah, I did uninstall it, but I don't know why it's still there.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's gone.
Huh. Maybe this one you can talk to Shopify about it. Like maybe they can give you a
Oh,
better
hold on.
answer.
There's a separate app. They had
Right.
two apps. They had an affiliate specific app. Okay. Just uninstalled that one too.
Yeah?
I must have only uninstalled the main app. Okay.
See, that one's gone now. Perfect, perfect.
Yep.
Good, good, good.
And I'll
That's all
talk
right.
to, should I reach out to that Brio too?
Which, yeah, you could, yeah. I don't know I don't know what
Okay.
they are, but yeah. You should try to clean all these things out because this is all the old way and it like loads up on every page and
Okay.
it sucks, yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Is there anything else on there that,
yeah. No, just those four, that's it.
okay.
Yeah,
All right.
just
I
those
will do
four.
that.
Yeah, that'll help you out for sure. Wow, that's not necessary. This is very old actually, because Shopify already does this. Yeah, like this is like super old code. Wow, wow, it's like dinosaur. This is dinosaur.
Is it messing, would it be
Oh,
throwing
it's like
off anything or?
oh, it's like a big. This is like This is just ancient. I don't know. This is ancient code.
Wow.
Yeah. This
Is that just a part of like the theme?
um, no, just get rid of it. Trust me. Just delete it. Just delete it. Trust me. It's just really old. It's just not how Shopify
Okay.
works anymore. It's like trying to solve a problem that doesn't exist anymore. So now it's just you just do like literally page dot description. Um, I think that's what it is. I don't even know if you have to escape it anymore. I think it's page dot description. I gotta look it up. SEO title, page title, yeah, page title, SEO title, yeah, page description, perfect. Now this should fix this issue that we had. What was this one? Page source. There we go. Perfect. Nice and clean. Okay, so one of the first things we need to do is really just compress
Those
the
images.
JPEGs. Yeah, I guess we should just run that. Right.
So that could be part of that. Is that usually a reason you see the site loading slow? Is just the images are way too big in terms of size?
Yeah, definitely could be. Yeah, sure. Well, for the homepage. Yeah.
Homepage.
Well,
Okay.
for all the pages, but right now we're actually just looking at the homepage, and it should have an effect. Yeah, yeah. So to that, you would just go to the only thing, the only problem with it, it'll convert everything to WebP. It's just that this image right here is gonna get shrunk when the resolution. Like these don't even need to be that big. 2,000. Okay, let's just run it, and then we can just put it back if we want. It's okay because it doesn't delete anything.
Okay.
So it won't. You can always go back. Theme images. Then we're gonna convert to WebP 2000. Rename with AI, and we're not add alt texts. Overwrite existing file. Let's just do that. Compress images. So that's working. So you can go back to your scan logs, and you did an optimized theme. This is what it did. Let's see. So it was 47. Now it's 4. So it did a lot. 91%.
Oh wow. Oh my
So
gosh.
now it's down. Which like before was like 1 MB to 104. Um, your average. I lowered it a bit. But let's see what happened to your homepage. Let's see what that did. Hopefully it didn't ruin the image.
Still looks good.
So it looks about the same. I think originally it wasn't like super high quality.
Yeah, it's not a great image. I'm trying to get a new image. It's just working with influencers can be tough.
Right. Yeah,
It definitely
whatever.
looks better on mobile than when it spans out on desktop.
Yeah.
Which like 80% of our traffic is mobile. So
Right.
so that must be the new Vision AI that it used.
Oh, because it renamed it? Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
That's actually good. Shockingly good.
Women pink hooded jacket. Yeah. Yeah, because when it's doing it with the themes, the theme images, like it only really like uses just the vision because it doesn't know anything about the product, so it's more generic.
Yeah.
It'll be more generic, with
Oh, so
the
when it does it on a product image,
It's more
Does
specific.
it utilize? Oh, okay. So it utilizes like some of the content available on the page.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, here are
How
the
important
ones.
are the file names for? I mean, is that something? Because I'm already like one thing I'm realizing is like none of them even say plus size, and plus size is like a mandatory keyword for us, just because we don't want someone who's a size small coming to the website expecting that.
Well, these are really just for the main like site. I mean, to be honest, like maybe file names, maybe it's like 1 or 2% of SEO. It's not, you
Okay,
know,
so that's
it's
not gonna
not like going to
affect.
make some sort of big difference, but it's better
Okay,
to name things. And inside of your products, it's better to be more accurate. Um,
okay, so yeah, these lifestyle images aren't as important.
yeah, and it's a lot to do with like Google Images. Like people search, like they're like, oh, like
That's what I thought.
romantic, yeah. Um,
Yeah, I'll probably just manually do a lot of the product ones or just make sure that it's, oh, I guess they were more accurate though, because a lot of them did say plus size still.
so this one's actually a WebP at 1440 by 9, which is actually pretty small, but it's still 229. And the reason is because like all of these trees, you know what I'm saying? Like it's a really complicated photo. So,
Mm-hmm.
um, like that's gonna be the issue with this. Like maybe 229 might actually be the best you can do at this size. But I mean, if you don't care about the quality, but yeah, it's because the photo's like super, like all of that green is like really
Yeah,
wild, you know? So just
yeah. I'm
keep that
hoping
in
I'll
mind.
have a better image here soon. I have people working on getting me more photography in these rain jackets.
There's two ways of doing it, like to compress a file, I guess. Like one would be to
Mm-hmm.
like use SEO King to like compress it, which is really good to do at the beginning, especially converting it to WebP, because before you had JPEGs. So convert
Mm-hmm.
everything to WebP. Um, and then what Shopify also has its own like built-in sort of resizing tool. So for like theme images, anywhere where you have blocks of images, you can use these the like Shopify built-in tools, which most themes are already using, but a lot of them like it's like hit or miss. Sometimes they use it right, sometimes they don't.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's doing a width of 500.
Okay.
Okay, right. And the rendered size is 344. So the width, the max width on that one is 355 and it's 500. So it gives you a bit of extra. Okay, for full screen though, it might be smaller. Oh man, let me do it this way. So
Oh, that's still a good size.
yeah, like it doesn't look like it's like stretching, you know what I mean? Because if it's a bit bigger than 500, it might stretch, it might not too. I just have to look. So here you could see that it's oh, it's not showing anything. We can see kind of above the image it says 480 by 600. So like
Mm-hmm.
480 and it's a 500 by the image is I can't see now the intrinsic. It's not showing me the pop up. There we go. 500 by 500. So if we did like 600 by 600, it'll be like not stretched at all. So
Okay.
that way at least you keep the right quality, like so it doesn't screw up the quality, and it's like pretty much at the maximum for um, for desktop. Now we could do the same thing. We can make it even more of a fix right here. So let's say we just wanted to fix it for desktop first. So we just put 600, and then we can see it's not built, but widths. I think we can put right. So you could do like let's say 400. Oh, what happened? Oh, well. Let's say we did like 300. Is it the same quality?
Yeah, it doesn't look like it changed really. It's not noticeably.
It's the same, right? Is she a bit blurry already before? Let's see. Maybe it's loading up the wrong one. Maybe it's doing a 300. 600. Okay. If you go smaller. Oh, like
Yeah,
on
honestly,
your,
it could be a lot smaller. It doesn't really. They're pretty huge on.
right. Alright, does it trigger 300 because the image just stays big? Ah, right, on mobile it'll be like this. Right. Gotcha. Yeah, now it's triggering 300. Right. Because of the source set on mobile. You have to see. Does it look like this on mobile or look like this? I have to look on my phone.
More like deferred. Yeah, like that.
It looks like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, it's still triggering the 6. We could do it at like 400 if you really wanted to like super optimize it. You could do like 400 and 600. What the? What? Am I tripping here?
I don't know why the hell it keeps doing that.
400 by 600. Okay, yeah. Well, let's get a good look at the jacket. 900. 205. And it's a web P. Right. Yeah, because the Shopify compression is not super good. The original one for this
That file's pretty big.
is, sorry, it's probably good to spend a bit more time just trying to sort this out. So you go, oops, wrong place, here. Oh yeah, this is the one we're looking at. Right, the original's 306 and it's 19, right? So what the original one is, see, it's 306 and it's at 14, and then when you change it to 900, Shopify brings it down to 200. Yeah, so you could use SEO King has this tool right here that you could do minimum, let's say like minimum, like let's say 250. Depends if you have a lot of files. Oops. Oh my gosh. 65. No. 150. Yeah, that's the thing. I should do it by heaviest size. Yeah, so you could compress
on that one.
Yeah, like the theme compress tool will compress everything that you're actually using. So the problem with this is that it's like maybe a lot of stuff you're not using. So it's like
Yeah,
it'd
it
be a
definitely
waste of
is.
time to,
Some of those I definitely am using though.
well, that's the thing is
That
that,
picture with
yeah,
the
but
black jacket.
you like this one right here. But the new
Yeah,
one,
it's
you
probably a
probably
different
have a
one.
new one that's been renamed that's a web P.
Yep,
You know what I'm saying?
yep, yep.
So I need to tweak this to make it easier to sort. Um, yeah, and it's like newest. Like this is the newest ones actually. This is the only one. Oh, why there's doubles. It's interesting. This one you could
Yeah,
definitely
that's definitely a
compress.
part of the slider.
That's part of the slider. So here you could put
Yeah.
like, let's say you put like 800, or was it 900? 900, and we could just go ahead and compress it. I don't know why there's two of them. Maybe you're using two different ones. That's probably what it is. You're probably like you were probably pointing at two of the same, like two different versions of the same file.
Mm-hmm.
Like most likely. So we'll just do them both. So and everything else is like the older stuff. that we didn't just change. Like you can use this tool to compress if you see, but like I said, the theme compress tool works really well that it only targets what you, because maybe some other like apps or whatever might like compress everything, which would be kind
Mhm.
of a waste of time because like a lot of stores they just have so many photos that they don't even use. So now that we did that, actually, I think we're probably pretty good now because there's only a couple like
Okay.
super big ones. If you go back to the files here, um, everything's pretty. Like, let's say you want to compress. Oh, like this thing. Yeah, they're tough to compress. They're really big, and they have a lot of details. I mean, you can compress them if you want. Like again, in SEO King, you could go like here. You could do a search for it. I don't know why it's not showing up. There it is. Oh, 192 because it was smaller. So I don't know. I mean, you said it was only on the about page, so no big deal, right?
Yeah, that's only on the About Us page.
Perfect. So no big deal. Uh, yeah, 140. I mean, it's not great. We compressed this one though. This one, oh, this is the one we just compressed. 140. Oh yeah, one. Right. I was at 900. This image is still 140. Oops. Wow. Still 140. Yeah, you have a lot of. Right. So okay, let's say, okay, if you really wanted to maximize it, you could do this. You put a compression 65 900, and these are all for your slider. There's a slider. That's the
Yep,
front.
yep.
Right. So you could potentially just do this.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Like I mean, I made to change the theme code. Like you really shouldn't have to so much. What's this one? Oh,
That
that's
I
the home.
think.
That's the banner at the top.
Yeah,
Right.
and there's a different version for mobile and for
This one.
desktop.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
the.
that's the mobile version.
Let's is 900. This one's 1,000. Okay, let's compress it. Let's see if it can get better than that. Oh, I already compressed it. Okay, but now I'm putting it at 65. Oh yeah. Well, okay, let's do it. Oh, I made it worse.
Oh, it got bigger.
Yeah, it's tricky. I can leave it. This one. Yeah, 900. Right. Maybe compress all these. This is the wet piece. This guy, same thing?
Yes, yeah, I think he's on the slider.
Pretty big, yeah. Yeah, because the slider was stopping everything at 2000. I mean, not the theme, the compressed files tool. It doesn't know how big it needs to be, so like it chose 2000. I said like the biggest
Mm-hmm.
size, but if you put everything really at 900, the size that you really need it at, then you get like really low. It's like we
Yeah, these file
really
sizes
wanted
are
to.
minuscule compared,
Yeah,
and they're
this
1/5 of the
is.
size.
Yeah, for your homepage, that's good. We don't want to mess with that one. This is all done. Let's- These are those on the homepage still, like the big block, the big squares, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's
That
see.
one is, and then the other two right there are both on the About Us page.
It's like these guys, right? This guy right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all right. I think it's loading faster. Look at that.
Yeah, it definitely seems like it is.
Feels faster, right? Okay. Okay. So, anyways, I think we got like the majority of them.
Okay.
So now, given that banner hack,
Yeah, it seems like it loaded way quicker. I don't know if that's because you already have it on the page or not, but
yeah, I think it's faster. Yeah, the quality is pretty good, but you can see it's like it's not perfect. Depends on your thing. I mean, I think it's pretty good. I mean, personally, I think it's okay. Like, this one's
yeah,
not even the
I think
worst.
it's. I don't think
This
it's
one looks
really bad
fine.
enough to like.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one
that one
looks
looks
good.
good. So
That's the
I
thing
think
is
the
if you,
quality is fine.
yeah, yeah, okay, good. And then here, alright, yeah, okay, okay, cool. This guy, alright. This one's small anyways. Okay, good. Alright, okay. You can leave this one. It's not bad for, I mean, this is like more of like an HTML sitemap. This one is, I mean, it's okay. And it has, SEO King just has a products one, whereas this one, like, you have pages. It's like really just for search engines. See, this one's search results. It's not- I don't know if that's very good, to be honest.
Yeah,
Look at it,
that's why I
I
was thinking I need to figure out how to.
wonder if
Should I just
there's,
use the one via SEO King?
um, yeah, you could probably, well, you can use, well, I mean, you could actually make one of these. One of the things that you could literally do
On chat.
is you go to ChatGPT and you say like write a uh, okay, I want to create an HTML sitemap for my footer. It should have, let's see, articles, pages, collections, and products with a limit of 50, of 20 items with a view more button. Um, can you write out the liquid file for me? I can copy paste into my storage. Okay, we'll just say. Like, it's almost like such a stupid thing that you don't really need it. Like, I don't know if you're paying for their app, but like I would, like I would just stop
Yeah, I
paying
think I am.
and just use this like 100%. Like, you could just do it that way. In fact, SEO King, I should just
Yeah,
do it this way. I should add it. I should really add it as an embed instead of the way that we're doing it. Well, actually it depends because, look, it depends how many products you have. How many products do you have?
hundreds. I mean, probably like I would say like
Hundreds. It's not.
300 to 400.
See, 400 is okay. You can do this. Is that is one of the reasons that you'd want to do it like the way the SEO King does it, if you have like thousands and thousands, because then it's like there's like a lot of page numbers and stuff, and it's a bit different.
Yeah.
But
Well, we do have a. I mean, we have. If you look at like child SKUs, like with variants and stuff, there's definitely thousands.
right, but this doesn't show up by variant. But you
Okay,
could you
so
could
that's
get it to program it with that in mind. I mean, like let's say you did this. Okay, you copied this, and then okay, let's see what it says. Wait, so why is this so slow? Where in my admin should I put it? Let's just create a page, I guess, called Sitemaps, and then just dump it.
yeah.
You have a few solid options. What does it think? Option 1, add it as a section block. Yeah. Oh, footer, sitemap, top liquid, create a new section. Hard code into footer.liquid. I don't want to put it in the footer. Oh man, you're not even custom page. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so we could just do it that way.
Just make a page and link it into the footer.
Yeah, but how do you put in the page content? That's right, because it's code. That's right.
Hey,
Having a full page site. Yeah, I want online pages in the page content section, footer sitemap, then create footer sitemap liquid. Okay. So it's basically saying go here into sections, add a new section, liquid. What is it? HTML sitemap. Let's do that. Dot liquid. Okay, I'll put that here. And then you, then it said you link it by just adding this in the page content. I didn't know you could do that. Do not put liquid logic in pages content field directly. It won't parse liquid yet. What the hell? Yeah, exactly. Yes, correct. Yes. Page template. Page template. Right, okay, so you do a page template. Okay, now I know. So I don't use Shopify enough. So you could create a template, call it HTML sitemap based on whatever. Fine. Right. Then here you change this, you do an add section, you do like a liquid, custom liquid, then you add this there. Why? No, it doesn't. Those errors? What is it say? Cannot use section tag in section assets. Says I cannot use section. Oh my gosh, okay, fuck. Sorry. We're just gonna do different than custom liquid. Oh. Can I just take all this? Okay. Save. And then get rid of this. Oops. Get rid of this. Okay, bro. See ya. See ya. Okay. Save. Page. Okay, now we have to create a page. Right. Gotta go to here. That would be the
Yeah.
idea. Would be like this. Okay, so you get to this point, you goof around with ChatGPT to do a good job, and then you just add the sitemap and you replace it with this one. You see what I'm saying? The link would go
Okay.
to this one.
Yeah, just replacing the footer. I can do that.
Yeah. And like this is what I would do. Um, like you got to do a better job with this coding part. Like you can tell to put in
Yeah.
columns. Actually, I did it one time for somebody, and it came out really like way better. You tell it to put on in columns. I mean, like you say like two columns,
Oh yeah.
and yeah, so it'd be like pages and articles, uh, and the buttons aren't working properly, and
Yeah, they're just
like
like
you don't like they're not necessarily buttons. They're just like hidden.
yeah.
I don't know how it knows how to do that though without using any JavaScript and stuff. I don't know, but yeah, you could goof around with that and try to get, and then you could get rid of the other one. You could also,
Do you think it's an issue on these where the variant is like pulling up when you switch variants, it's adding that variant tag to the end of
right.
each URL? That's one thing I was like researching with like the canonical URLs. I'm just like,
Yeah, no, it's not good. It's a default behavior that you can turn off. It's like when you, what it is, yeah, it's like it switches it. Is that what's going on?
yeah, when you switch variant, it's switching that every time.
Is it reloading the page? Yeah, no. Yeah, because it creates more links. The reason it's like that because it's like talking to Shopify through that URL, and it's not. It's like this is a very old way. I don't know if all the sites do this anymore. This is old. Like I don't know if it's like the new themes do this. I'm not sure. Like maybe. Yeah, it's still doing it too.
Yeah, so I guess that's probably something that can't even really be fixed.
Yeah. It can. I've done it before a long time ago. I remember because it was creating because it's like it's like it's just a label. Right? Is it an A tag? So it's not like an A tag. Like that's yeah, it's like yeah, it's just changing it using like I don't think it's actually creating links though in this one. In yours, maybe yours either. I don't know. Like as long as it's not doing that like on your like collections page or something like here where it's an actual link, that
Mm-hmm.
would be bad for SEO. I think there maybe it's okay because it's not actually like a link. I think it's just doing it's just making so if like if you refresh it refreshes to the right variant.
You stay on that variant.
Yeah, I think that's really what it's doing. And I don't think the way they're doing it actually has an effect. Is like I think, but there was at the time when there's like links here that, yeah, that's like it was like the variant was being added automatically to these links. Like if you're on a collection and this was a product, like here there was like you see it says like one Bali, like there was a variant being added here. This would be very
Oh,
bad,
okay.
right? That would be bad.
Which it might be like that on ours because our collection page displays all variants. So I don't know, like it displays, we have an app that displays variant on collection page, so it might load into, I don't know.
Let me see.
If you go to like, yeah, go to that, like all of those are variants of the same product, so they might have to have that link.
Oh no! Oh, they have. Oh no, sorry. I'm looking at the wrong thing now. Oh wow, yeah, you do have the variants. Yeah, you can remove that because they're all variants of the same product.
Yeah, exactly. But then
Yeah, but then
the
you have a
reason when
canonical issue because it's the canonical is not that, right? Yeah, if you look at the canonical, yeah, you're definitely gonna have a problem. Yeah, this is the canonical. Yeah, you can't do that. Yeah, yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, for sure. I haven't seen that in a while.
yeah, yeah, I mean,
Right.
I get why it does it because
They're
each variant showing on there, you want to load it. If I
right.
click on purple, you want to load in on purple, but
Right.
I don't know how, like, without using that, I don't know how that's even possible. Because that is an app. It's called Display Variant on Collection Page, but it makes sense that that's how it's doing it.
Oh
If you look at
shit.
the black one probably has the canonical like
The black
proper,
one.
or I
Sorry,
think
which
it's the
one? If I
black
go
one that
back
you load in on.
here.
Oh no, it still has the variant.
Yeah. Um. Yeah, that's good that you told me that. Like you might want to stop doing that. Like you can leave them, but we could tweak the code so it doesn't have the variant, but it won't go to the variant.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, because it's
Yeah, I
on
don't
the
know how big
green.
sites do that. Like North Face does. That's the reason we did this because North Face they display all the variants and stuff. But I have
Well,
no clue how.
oh, well, what you could do is actually update your canonical, but then you're gonna have another issue where you're gonna have like duplicate things. So what you could do is like, like you see this Oh, where did it go? The canonical. See this? You could have say variant, and then it would match the link. But then Google would then register like each one of those as separate links. So
Hmm.
you'd have like four. What is it? Let's say there's four variants, so you'd have like four links. But then they would like then Google would give you a different error. It would say like you have four pages that are the same,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's like you could do it that
Which
way,
would
but you'll
also kind
still
of
get
feel
an
like,
issue. Um, yeah, like a lot of the people they have links that look like, oh, I guess you can't see it. If you look at you don't see my address bar. Where can I type? I can type like a lot like for example a lot of, oh yeah, you see my address bar, you can see it. Yeah, so
I
if you go
do.
to collections and then you put in like it's like whatever and it looks like this, right? And it goes to the same.
Hmm.
It'll go to that product and it basically redirects to this and the canonical is this, but in their collections page it looks like this. And the reason they're doing that is because then it creates like actually creates like a breadcrumb, like on the product actually, and
Yeah.
there's a little bit of like stupidity, but like Google really hates that because it's like don't point me to a redirect. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's
Hmm.
basically you're like, oh no, like this is the link, but it's a fake link. So I and SEO King removes those. It removes the code. Now for this, yeah, it's like it's you'll have to think of like maybe you want to. It depends, man. I don't know. We could look at your Google Console. See, I don't have access to your errors. Like you'd have to look at that part and see if there's like a
Hmm.
big spike of issues because you might have them. But if it's not affecting your search, like if you go to your Google Search Console. Oh wow, you really? Oh, because winter is really where you take off, right?
Yeah, we do a lot of
Right,
business for a few months and then it falls off a lot.
right. Um, well, I mean, you've got really good impressions, clicks. 10% would be 50K. So you're at what is that? 1%? 2%? It's a percent and a half. It's not bad for click through rate. Percent and a half. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know. It depends if you think you're seeing an issue, you could look at that. You should. Looks like you're indexed. I wouldn't. Looks like you have a lot of indexing, a lot of clicks, position. Yeah, you're not getting click-throughs. Right. Okay. You have very poor click-through rates on a lot of your pages.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, it might have been because of that meta description thing you had going on, man. Like it was really,
Yeah, well, a lot of these are really old products too that we
yeah.
literally have like maybe one size left. We have so many products from 5, 6, 6, 7, 8 years ago that we don't even put any time into.
Right. You're a yearly member. Oh man. Did you use this already? No, you don't. Perfect. You
I
haven't
don't
done it
even
yet.
know, man. I've
Right.
used SEO King a good bit, but it was a lot mainly like a year or two ago, and I was just clicking things, and
Okay.
I
Yeah.
definitely need to use it more effectively.
Yeah. So okay. So Gemini Pro, AI, use focus keywords, overwrite existing. Let's overwrite with click through rate under like point 0.05 or whatever, 0.75%. So it'll only overwrite like poor performing pages, but it looks like most of them are. So it'll probably do most.
Yeah.
And Google Gemini Pro is a really good one. Um,
Okay.
uh, well, you have vision. You already did all the vision. You might as well. You might as well use vision AI only. No. Force strip text. No. Override existing AI. I don't think you're already using AI, are you? No. Current. Oh, you
Right.
have a
It's
lot.
just the
Oh,
return
it's just that
shipping
one, right?
that
Right.
shows up as a product.
Yeah, a lot of them you don't even have any, and it was pulling in. See, okay, so look at this meta description here. What you want to do with the meta description is put as many like features and like benefits you would say, but I think particularly like features or attributes of a product. Super
Mm-hmm.
important because like when people search for stuff, they want to like match your keyword and they want to like quickly see like the features. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
that's like really important.
Yeah, that's actually a pretty good like rendering there for that product.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I think it looks good. Um, we can make sure that it's working correctly. Okay. So yeah, so this is the new one right here. That's pretty much almost exactly the same. It's a little bit long though, but it's okay. Like Google should hopefully take this part. Um, anyways, yeah. So anyway, so what I would do is I have this on. This I would up to you to do this for all texts.
Yeah.
So published only. Do you have a lot of unpublished stuff?
No, not really.
Okay.
I
Process
don't even
flow.
think we have, I doubt we have any unless we're completely out of stock and not doing, selling it again.
Yeah, you might want to consider doing override existing on everything. Um, up to you. I mean, I don't know how
Yeah,
much
I probably
work.
will. I'm trying to redo all of them anyway.
Yeah, yeah. If you're gonna redo, just let the AI do it. I
Yeah,
think you'll just
it's
really
good
be.
enough. It's better than me spending 20 hours.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go. So all text collections. You can do the same thing, just like this. What's going on with Google?
Oh yeah, I don't even think that's an old thing for Seguno when we used it. We don't even use it anymore.
So published only. Articles. You could do the same thing. I would just do everything the same. Ah, Google. Okay. What's this? All texts like this. What we'll do is okay, yeah, so you have the master switch off, okay? So nothing's actually like processing. I'm just gonna flip all your settings um like uh, so use focus keywords. This I would probably turn off. Unless did you set the focus keywords at all in the
Yeah, I did, but the
Oh, you
issue
did?
is I set them. I have so many different types of products that it's like I set them all around like a few products, I think.
Just a few, not all of them.
Well, I think it only let me set like what, like
Yeah,
five or six.
right. Yeah, there's a limit. Yeah, but you did it on all the products?
It wouldn't. I didn't have enough to set all the products because there's more than like five different types of products that we sell.
Oh no, 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 no. That's for the yeah, there's the store. Okay, let's see the sorry, it's this one. What is it like? AI GPT, this one. Coats and jackets out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I would just get rid of all of this. Yeah, don't
Yeah,
use any of that. Yeah, just leave it with nothing unless you're really something that like you want inside of like all of your meta titles like or meta descriptions, like something
I mean
that
like plus size is probably important, like because we don't really sell anything that's not plus size.
there you go, plus size. That's a
Plus
good one.
size
Yeah,
or big and tall for men. I don't know.
plus size. Yeah, like a lot of people use it to just add like random keywords. It's not really meant for that. It's like really meant for like location or maybe plus size. Plus size could be a good one. If like that's something that you're like all of your stuff really fits into that category,
Hmm.
that could be really good. Um, so you have default JSON LD, but yeah, like you should just yeah, like it's probably just from your theme. Um, so what we'll do is we're just gonna turn everything on, man. So you gotta do that. Yeah, definitely. Okay, thank you. Turn this on for sure. Yeah, so let's disable all your existing JSON LD. So this is basically just disabling like your existing one. Although I could have just I didn't actually need to. Whatever. All I needed to for the other thing. Anyways, it's doing that. So we can just turn this one on, and then we can turn this one
Yeah, as much as I can turn on with SEO King and let it run and manage things for me, the better for me.
on. Yeah, for sure, for sure. This one, turn this one on, turn this one on. It's a bit goofy on this. I need to fix that. Okay, should be good now. Okay, now it's on. Now we just have to update it. Include brand name. No, like is what brand is it? Is it your own brand?
Yeah, it is.
Store name or vendor? Do you have it set up as vendors or is it just your store name?
I think it would be the store name. Yeah,
Edit description, new, gender, unisex, I guess.
yeah, both. Yeah, we sell men's and women's.
Right. I think it has to be unisex. Then I think both. I think teens and adults above 13, above 18.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, we sell kids, but we also sell adults. So
You sell
I would
kids,
say, I would say we don't sell much kids. I would just say adults,
teens and
teens
adults.
and adults. Yeah, teens and adults.
Okay. I don't think it makes a huge difference, but handling time from how long to how long?
Yeah, handling time is one. one business day.
Okay. And shipping would be how long? Like what? Like
I would say
one
1 to 5 days,
1 to 5.
business days, that is. But I assume it is a.
Yeah. Free shipping at all? Do you offer like with
Nope.
okay. Shipping region, just worldwide? Or home country,
Yep.
US, worldwide?
Yeah. Anywhere. We ship anywhere.
Okay. Return policy. Do you have return policy like permitted between X days or
Return within 30 days.
30 days? Customer pays for shipping?
It's kind of hard to. It's that you do. It's like shipping insurance. They buy it at checkout. So yeah. What? Yeah.
Free shipping?
Yeah.
It's free then? Because it's shipping insurance?
Yeah. I would say free because they can opt in at checkout for $2 to get return shipping, and then they get as many free returns as they want.
Okay. So, okay, that seems set. This is good. That's good. This thing. Goofing around. Okay, so now I should show that you have JSON, you have the, oh. Right, so it's been installed. But you're gonna need to update all your products and your collections and everything. So now it created, oh, it still has this one. Gotta fix that. I don't know why that's still there. Product. So this is the one that SEO King added. So it's like way more detailed. It has like, like all the shipping regions. And it pulls in all the shipping prices that you have set and everything.
Okay.
And all the variants are there and all the images. And yeah, it's like pretty heavy duty.
Okay. That should help a lot because I think a lot of our. I've never touched any of it, so it's just probably all whatever comes needed in this
Yeah.
boom theme.
There's your sitemaps. Okay, those are all on. Okay, that's good. Things connected. Perfect. Okay, meta titles. Right, so it's the same thing, not set. Alright.
Yeah, that's actually.
Yeah.
I'm shocked how good the AI. I just remember when I was using AI years ago on this, it was like they were not that accurate, but they seem to be way more accurate now.
Yeah, it's gotten way better. Override existing. Yeah, probably. Well, I mean, it's up to you. I don't know how many have them or not. Like, if you don't have, I would override existing because this is not a good one, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I think the ones that Gemini is coming up with, at least the few we've looked at, look good.
Yeah. Yeah, this should be pretty solid, I think. Oh, this thing again.
Yeah, the thing. It's really plus size winners.
Women's plus size. It's tough to say. If you do override existing. Oh, this one already has AI. This one was done by AI. So,
yeah.
if you leave the override existing AI, it won't overwrite this one. So, yeah. So, like, you can go into, if you ever want to like customize it later, you use the SEO editor to do it. So it's much better if you do it in here because then it'll like save it. And it says you only have 173 products, by the way, so it's not so many. Oh, but you're talking about with your
yeah,
variants.
we did.
Right, with your variants, you have a lot. Right. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
but anyways, but in here, like let's say you wanted to modify it, like your meta title, and you modify it here and save it, it'll like save it like a special way, so like it won't get overwritten later. Like it won't ever overwrite.
Oh, okay.
It saves as like a custom. Like it'll say like okay, like see how it says modified? Or sorry, no. Well, if you save it, it'll say like custom. Right now it says modified, but it'll say custom, and then custom is basically the same as AI. It's like human AI.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So if you make the change
Yeah, yeah.
yourself, it like saves it.
It's not gonna. Okay.
Yeah. So
That's
I
interesting
think for
idea.
now, it's like this one, existing
I mean,
AI
I'm fine
custom.
with that overriding existing.
Okay, cool. So
Yeah.
with this, then you go again. Oh, this is right,
That
collections.
I don't know why that collection's
Oh,
even
right.
there.
This is
Same with this one. I don't know why this one's here. These are just like automated things that got added for indexing.
right. Right. This one might be better. You see, like
Yeah. Oh,
best
it's
selling
yeah.
snow country. Yeah, it usually pulls it. It works pretty good also for meta descriptions. Um,
Yeah, that's also a collection we don't really use, but
yeah, so I would. Oh, the AI for this might be good too. Introducing plus size proposition. Let's go. Let's go with the AI.
yep,
Try
that's
it.
better.
Yeah,
Yeah, the AI
just give
looks
it a
like it's
shot.
working well.
That's pretty solid. Well, for your pages, it might not be so important, but even that, maybe it's not bad too. I don't. Yeah, how many pages do you have? Do you use pages for a lot of things?
Not really, other than just like blogs and basic terms and conditions type stuff or return pages. They definitely aren't like our pages aren't really is it like trying to attract much traffic.
Yeah. Here. Okay. So you actually have to turn this on too. Um, okay, we're gonna take a quick look. We'll see if we turn on the override conditions. We'll see. 1 second. We'll, we'll see. We'll see. So that's that. And meta descriptions we did as well. Oh yeah, definitely need featuring midterm snow skis. Not bad. That's pretty good. Did you write these yourself?
I think I just used ChatGPT a long time ago, but I did probably input them. These are all collections that really are pretty much hidden.
Oh, it's on template. Let's go. Let's go.
Mm,
Yeah, here we go.
yeah, that's another collection that I don't even think shows anywhere.
Oh, okay. What was the?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good. It's shocking.
Yeah, it's a bit long, but I think it'll be okay. Because most of the keywords are all in the front. Because what you really just want to have is the keywords at least at the beginning, and like, see
Hmm.
this type of stuff like discover winter magic with stylish and comfortable. Like this is the type of stuff you don't want in your meta
Just
description.
fluff.
It's just
Yeah.
fluff. It's just fluff. This is definitely what you don't want. But given that the first part is what you want, so like, and Google's gonna cut it at well, you'll be able to see in the SEO editor here. You can't see where it gets cut, but what was I doing? Okay, here was overwrite. Yeah, 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 yeah. A lot of the times,
Yeah, it's a blog post.
yeah. The thing with the blog posts, often we have a hard time. Like usually, it's like kind of sometimes they copy like the first like few things, or like it's kind of like discover. But then
Yeah.
again, I don't know. But I think you could let's look at your what we could do here with okay overwrite existing oh no overwrite oh this is the template again though. So here you could do overwrite like if there's a click-through rate of just like less, right? So like if you have an article that's doing super good, it won't update it.
Yeah. So
Um,
is this all gonna set to just auto update like anything I add in the future now?
yeah,
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
What's this? Pages. Okay, let's do the same thing. Let's just go with all AI. Use focus keywords. No. What am I looking for? Overwrite existing. Okay. So that's that. You said photo file names. Yeah, so you could do a template variant title, and you can also put in the vision keywords that you had.
Yeah, it might. Do you think it's better to use template or just use the GPD for this too? I mean,
There's none. This one is
oh,
just,
there isn't.
yeah, so it's just basically the title, variant title, with the keywords, and
Oh,
there's like a
okay.
max characters of like, oh, you put a really high one. That's why they're so
Yeah,
long.
we can probably.
Right.
Well, I think it's because a lot of our titles are long, but I'm also working on. I'm going to be redoing all the titles to be more SEO friendly now too.
Slate gray. Right. Yeah, I see what you're saying because their titles are long. Oh, it disappeared. Yeah, I don't want you doing it at night yet. Yeah, it disappears because yeah, that's like an old setting. Yeah, I could tell you've been here for a long time. Yeah, I removed it because it's too long. Yeah, I think 90, and then I think it's pretty solid. I
Okay.
think you go with this.
Yeah,
Use
I'll
the
shorten my titles too, so
Vision
that
AI.
because if I change a title, will it automatically go back and update the photos, or will I have to run it? Do I just run it again?
It'll automatically update. Well, yeah, it'll go and update everything. Like so,
Okay.
it'll kind of overwrite maybe the work that you did,
Oh, okay.
if you don't mind. Um, Template. You do the same thing. You're gonna be doing it anyways. And it only scans the photos once. So for like whenever you do it for alt text and whatever, it's just one time, and then the rest is just free.
Okay.
Um, so current file name, yeah, it's pretty much like the same. Six. Oh, because I removed the small words. Right.
You don't think I should change the URLs? Or I guess it probably already
No,
is the title of the
no.
product.
Yeah. The yeah, I no, don't change them. Like do it manually when you first make a product.
Yeah.
Like do it then maybe. Like don't don't use this tool. Not if you have an existing store. Like if it's a new store,
Hmm.
like okay, fine. But I don't want to screw up your traffic, you know? Like not that
Yeah.
it necessarily would, but it's just not worth the risk. It's not your problem. Your URLs are not the issue right now.
Okay.
The issue is going to be your click-through rates. We'll look at it really quickly. Here, this I would, right. So you just have the different, you just don't have the right settings here. So here you just want to put, is everything square on your site? No or yes?
Like
No.
product images,
Yeah. No.
they should be squares.
All of them?
All product images.
Yeah? Okay.
Maybe there's a few that aren't in square, but they just put white space on the side. They're usually just influencer pictures we have like added to the end of the listing.
Okay. So, okay, fine. So we'll do square and we'll do, you could do transparent fill or, white, whatever fill. It doesn't matter because you said it's just white anyways, right? So 750. Is it the size that you like, 1750?
Yeah, I mean, I think I usually have most of them at 1,000 by 1,000, but
Because your current
whatever
ones
is.
on your site I see are 1750. Yeah, you could go a bit smaller. Like actually, 14 is pretty good. I think 1,000 is a bit small for clothes.
Okay.
14. I mean, you already have them optimized. Like, how did you already do? Oh, not all of them. Well, this one, yeah,
That's that.
yeah,
This one.
yeah. It looks like they're
Most of
like
them I edited just in whenever I did the editing from the photo shoot. I just had one. I was just doing it on Lightroom, and I just changed them all to the same file size as I was pumping them out.
right, and you did it all in WebP, like on. Oh
Actually, no, they should have all been JPEGs. I don't know how they turned to WebP. I don't know if did we change them at the beginning. I don't know.
15, no. Using old settings. Or you want borders or no borders? You don't want a border, do you?
No, it doesn't need a border.
Oh, it already had a border though. Oh no, does it?
Oh, she might add a border actually. Now that I think about it, she might have put a border on in some other app.
Okay. So yeah, I just
If it
remember.
has one, it's not the end of the world.
Okay. So yeah, I think. Okay, look. It's like 20. It depends on the image because it's such a simple image. It's like it's not heavy at all, and
Hmm.
they become a lot smaller, 30 KB. So you'd save a lot.
Yeah,
And the
that's sounds good to me.
yeah, the resolution will be solid. They'll rename all texts. Um, upscales. Oh, okay, upscale max. Okay, it's off anyways. Apply to all product photo. Remove background. No. This should be hidden. I need to fix that. Same thing with this. Yeah, it's a glitch. Um, yeah. So okay. So I think this is like good. It's not gonna change. You're not gonna see any difference. Uh, in anything. It's gonna make everything square though, just to make sure. And I'll just make it
Yep,
white.
that's fine.
Uh, and yeah, so that should be solid. Remove backgrounds off. You don't have any low resolution photos, right? You're not worried about that, right?
Mm-mm.
Perfect. Okay, I think everything is now set up. Need to just I just want to make sure you don't have anything. Good. Pages, I guess just do published. Just do published only. Perfect. That'll apply for everything. Just be published only. But the thing is that when you oh okay, it'll auto update when you publish something. Like so, if you create a new product, but it's still a draft, it like won't update everything.
Okay.
Um, like
And then as soon as you publish it, it'll just automatically proc it.
yeah, exactly. It'll throw it into the queue and it'll get updated. So that's up to you. If
Okay.
you feel like you want to change that behavior, you can set this to process all later, and it'll then update them. It'll do them when they're uh, like anytime. It's up to you. But right
Okay.
now you can run it
Yeah,
like
published is
this.
probably fine. I'm fine with it just updating once I publish a product.
Yeah.
Because I'll probably be changing a lot while it's unpublished.
Okay. Now just to go back here. Okay, to quickly go over. Okay. Google search. Right. So okay. So what's interesting about this is it shows you your popular pages. So this one is actually
Yeah, that's
when you're
definitely the page I've been trying to build the most
this collections, right?
recently. Because that's the new rain jackets, which we're trying to pretty much only thing we're selling right now is that.
Right. And you can see in the SEO editor what your current values are. So you have this is your meta title, your meta description, explore a wide range of styles and colors. See, this is you might want to not do that one. And in the SEO editor, you can always use these tools to see what might happen. They should be pretty identical to what would happen Um, this is actually good because
So
it's
just shortened it, yeah.
153. It did shorten it because that's how much it actually shows, right? The most it shows is like
Okay.
160. So this
Yeah.
shows 60, like 55, and this shows like 155, like between like
Okay.
158,
Yeah.
depending.
I'd save that. That
Um,
sound looks way better. I might do that for. I might just go through and do that for every collection and optimize them. So I just go to SEO editor and then click on the
AI generate, yeah. You can set right
AI
here your
generator.
Gemini Pro, and that's pretty much it. You don't set anything else.
Okay.
Um, this one has the focus keywords turned on, but
Which is okay for this.
here, because it'll add, it'll for sure add rain jacket. You should have rain jackets in there.
Plus size,
Rain
rain jacket,
jackets.
plus size.
So, like in the SEO editor, I turned off the focus keywords on the other thing because if you don't have them all set, it's like you don't really like need. Let's see. Here I turned them. It should be all off. Let's see. Focus. Where's focus keywords? Is it here? Wait. Oh no, it's under. Sorry, I'm confused. Where is it? Focus keywords. Oh yeah, use focus keywords here is all. Yeah, general settings off. This one, yeah, just off, off, off. So I just have them off there. Like I don't think you need them. But in the SEO editor, if you do use it, you can use it to tweak the result. Like if you really want to make sure that like you have zippered here, right? Zippered snowstorm. But if this stuff might also get pulled out of here, but you might like you don't have zippered here, but zippered might show up now. Like it might, maybe not.
Mm-hmm.
But waterproof. Where are some of those words you had? Snow country,
Zipper.
adjustable.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't really even need those on the because not every jacket even has those on that collection. Just some of them.
Right, right. Yeah, so if you turn it
Like the
off,
previous one was probably better. It was,
yeah, no, yeah, I won't save it. I won't save it. Um, yeah, so you might, yeah, so you could tweak it like that, but you could also turn it off and then just like
oh, okay.
generate without them and then see what happens. Maybe better or not. I don't.
Yeah,
Country
that one's
plus
perfect
size
because I
waterproof.
guess it's for that specific product. I thought it was for the collection page.
This is for a product. Yeah, it's for the specific product. Yeah. Yeah, but you see now it doesn't mention storm. You see what I'm saying? If you really wanted to
Oh,
mention
okay.
storm, you could have like turned it back on. Now it should mention probably storm and storm is back.
Smart mode.
And the
Yeah, I'm
hood.
gonna have to use. I can use this tool a lot. That's actually super helpful. It's way easier than going in and trying to do it in Shopify.
Yeah. Women's. Why doesn't that have a thing? Is there a glitch there? Women's, not women's. Yeah. Okay. Uh, yeah. In here, it's pretty quick inside the SEO editor. Once you like kind of get a hang of it, you can kind of blast
It's
through
right.
it.
It's one clicking AI generate versus having to switch back and forth between ChatGPT and copy and pasting and feeding ChatGPT info.
Yeah. 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 Definitely.
Great
You
point.
just click the
What do
button.
you set the? You can set the rating.
Yeah. You can set the rating. Yeah. You can change it if you want. But it's like, so what's that? What's that? Uh,
Judge me.
Judge me, yeah. Judge me. I don't know if they'll overwrite it at some point. If you got a new rating, maybe they have their own like count, but maybe they just use the global one that we all control. Like Shopify is like a place where it stores the rating, like specifically, and
Mm-hmm.
most of the rating apps just use that. But I don't know how they like if they just add to it. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know if they just read it and
Mm-hmm.
then just add one when it comes in, or if they maintain their own counts. I don't know, but yeah, you could change it to like whatever you want, and then I don't know what'll happen later, but it'll work for now. Anyways,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
So yeah, something to think about. Maybe you'd want to. I don't know.
and
Uh,
3.5. Ooh, I thought of that one. Most of them are good. That product probably just like 5
yeah,
years.
you could. Yeah. Yeah. This one has none.
Yeah, we don't even do swim really. Those are just an afterthought, like excess inventory we happened upon.
Vendor Carol Hodgman. Right. So that's the vendor we're
Yeah,
looking
that's
for.
like not even our brand. We just kind of fell upon this huge lot of swimsuits from another vendor and a couple other vendors, and they just gave it to them for basically free. So
Okay. But if you wanted to use the Carol Hodgman name instead of store name in your JSON LD, then you could do that. If you feel
okay,
like vendor,
eh.
okay, yeah, up to you. Yeah, yeah. So maybe
90, I would say 90%, 95% of our stuff is our name, and
Snow
the stuff that
Country,
isn't, we really just sell in like through Walmart.
right? Well, you already have vendor actually Snow Country Outerwear. That's you, right?
Yeah, that's us. So I guess we could just use vendor.
You could use vendor because it could be accurate in some cases.
Yeah, I guess I didn't even realize that we had us as a vendor on there.
Yeah, you could. Do you want to switch it back?
Yeah, that would probably be good actually.
So products, JSON LD, use vendor name, and if it's blank, they'll use the store name. I think. I think that's what it does. But it looked like you're pretty much all set, anyways. And let's go back. Yeah. So, okay. Just to look back at this, it's basically like a good click through rate is over 1%.
Mm-hmm.
So like one, if you get like 2%, three, like this is like super good. So if you're under like 0.6 is not terrible. But like this is pretty bad because you have 5,000 page views on the search results and only two. And what this means is that no one wants to click on your listing because the meta title, the meta description, and the like the image is like not good. Um, it doesn't match. Like it's not matching.
It's not
Like
matching like the search intent.
yeah, it's not matching search intent. It'd be like
Wonder why. I don't know how the
let's look. So you can look at Google. Is this the one?
that is, yeah.
Right. So first of all, I think having prices in it is not good. So
Okay.
like I don't think people want to see this. Like they want to see like the features, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like it looks too
I don't
core.
know why the price is even in it. I hate showing the price because our stuff is generally more expensive just because it costs way more to make plus size stuff, and I
Yeah.
try to not show it as much.
No, it's because of the way it was broken before. Like
Mm,
now it's not going to be, see, like now it's not showing this. But you need to update all these. Like you need to fix, like honestly, like you pretty much have like only upside potential. It's
yeah. Well,
like
that hit me
after
too
you
greatly
do,
with
yeah,
like
it's pretty good. This one's
the
doing all
fact that
right.
we're doing business is. Mhm.
This one's doing pretty good. Like you could potentially look at ones that are doing well. Okay, like this one's a 1.7. So you could be like, okay, why is it doing 1.7%, you know? So
Yeah,
if you go here, you could do the same thing and then look at it on Google. And is this it right here?
that is. It's probably because the price is so cheap. We sell them. It's like $100 swimsuit. We're selling it for $20. We're
Right,
just clearancing it all out.
right. But you can see right away, like there's way more features.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like it's like 80% nylon spandex. Cool, that's what I'm looking for. You know, like I'm not looking for much spandex. Um, it gives you like this DDD, big size, light, you know, like boom, boom. That's like
Mm-hmm.
better. So you can sort of start doing that and seeing that you'll see a pattern that's usually the pattern is like usually the meta description is going to be way better and the meta title, um, fit women's plus size, like you're saying,
Mm-hmm.
it matches
So
the intent.
Is the tool SEO King, is it gonna be auto updating those already right now, or is that something where you think I should be going into the SEO editor and just doing every single one?
No, I would just update. What we could do is make sure that the meta titles overwrite. You could do like
Yeah,
click
definitely
through rate.
overwrite.
Yeah, under it won't overwrite. It only overwrite if it's under 0.75.
Okay,
So anything that's doing like good, then it won't for the
okay.
products. And then if you go back to uh, the Google search, so like this one, you
It's
don't
like
want to really
most ones.
overwrite. Yeah, that's product,
Yeah.
product. You see, and one of the things you have a lot of room for improvement is that most of the pages that people have good click-through rates are usually collections and articles. So if you don't have
Mhm.
articles, you should do that. And
Yeah, that's one thing
collections,
starting to work on.
yeah. Um, my buddy came up with a good idea for like a collections like an article app. You know how to generate art. Well, in SEO King, there's an article blog article generator. I want to tweak it for collections so that you could say like do the top talk about the top 5 products in this collection and have links to it.
Hmm. Those are the types of articles that I'm going to be writing is like top five, rain jackets of 2025 and
I'll
using
see.
that to
I'll see if I
build
can.
them out.
I'll see if I can add that feature in for you, but maybe like a couple of weeks. For a lot of people, might like it
Okay.
because right now you can do it, but it's really just it chooses a collection and creates subtopics. So it's more like topical, like the top 5 features of a collection versus the top 5 products.
Yeah, I feel like that would be really helpful. I think that would bring a lot of value for people.
Yeah, I'll try to add that very soon. So keywords. This is showing you your site keywords.
Hmm.
uh, Long tail and yeah, focus. Don't worry about it. And then here are your search keywords. So this is what Google like. These are the things that you're ranking the highest on.
Okay.
Plus size rain jacket, and you don't plus size rain. What am I tripping? Oh, your long tail keywords. It's not finding plus size much. Do you use plus size in your descriptions?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we use plus size as frequently as possible. It should always have plus size in it, but it is 2 words, so.
It should be pulling it here, unless plus or size is maybe size is filtered out.
Like a lot of times it's saying like size snow pants, size swim dress, size ski pants. So it's like size and then another word after it, but it's not picking up plus.
Maybe
Size rain jackets, and then it's picking plus as its own.
yeah, plus.
That's weird.
It's because like maybe it's in my filtered list. Maybe plus is part of a filtered word. You like my app is site filtered words plus size. No, no, yeah. I don't know why plus size. You should yeah. Like, okay. Anyways, plus size is definitely like your main words. Like yeah, adding plus size to the focus the store keyword should be good.
Okay.
Um, is it? Yeah, plus size is adding it here too. Oh yeah, plus size. You have it a lot in the product titles, right?
Oh yeah, every product title should have it.
Okay, okay,
It's
yeah,
an
that's why.
essential.
Yeah, your product size. Why isn't plus size? Oh, maybe because you're only using it once per page? I don't see plus size here.
Yeah, the swim one might be that. I don't think I've even ever updated. But if you look at like one of our actual listings, it should say it like dozens of times.
Yeah. Yeah, it should. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, here it should show it then. Plus size.
Yeah, it's not even showing as a short tail plus. Like plus size is showing, but plus isn't.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, there's something happening here. It should definitely be pulling into the long tails. Yeah, there's something wrong with the keyword, my keyword too. I'm gonna look into this plus size. There must be something, a filter or something. I shouldn't be doing that.
I wonder if it just thinks plus is like, a short word like and.
Yeah, yeah. But I just done. Okay. Now you don't have to.
Well,
You're not gonna have to worry about it. Just give it like an hour to kick in. Actually, don't like do a big launch for another hour. Okay.
okay.
Um. But yeah, now that's gonna be fixed. Yeah. So the idea is basically to have alignment between these words. So I guess it's hard now to do it because plus size in there. But the other words that aren't snow country. Right. Oh yeah, see, you have Google. Yeah, like you. It seems like you have pretty good alignment. That's why you actually have pretty good results. Because like all this stuff is like all the stuff you do, right? Okay, so the
Yeah, I
idea
mean,
is
yeah,
that if there's anything in here that you don't do, you should think about doing, like, or adding something. You know what I mean? Or you don't have a big
yeah.
focus on it. Add a collection, maybe. Do you have a collection on
Okay.
kids' snow gear?
Yeah, there is a kid's snow gear one.
Okay. Yeah, like things like that. Like you kind of maybe
Plus
take.
size winter parka though, that's something we don't really do. Or we do sell them, but we don't target it that much. Plus
Right.
size rain jacket with hood, like those are in long tails that I haven't really targeted as much, but those are definitely 7XL rain gear, yeah. Imagine that, a 7XL is big
So,
jacket.
yeah, it's a big jacket.
You can fit like 5 of me in there and more.
Right. Yeah. So yeah, so anyways, you should really take a look at this list and like just go through it at some point just to give you
Okay,
ideas or whatever to see like this is what people are like literally searching for
okay,
and they're coming across and I guess this is what people are clicking on. What's this thing? This is what people are clicking on.
okay. Yeah, wow. It's like a mini Ahrefs.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I think this it's a bit more interesting because Ahrefs you can't really do anything after just looking at it. This you can well, I
Yeah,
mean, yeah, I mean, because this connects into your Shopify, and you can do all types of stuff. I mean, I'd like to make it a bit even more integrated with keywords, but I think this is a very important thing, especially with a store like yours. Like you're really established, you have a lot of traffic, so you have a lot of data. It's important to
hmm,
sort of at least skim it once in a while.
yeah,
Yeah. Keywords and yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Like this page is pretty important.
yeah. I mean, I think it might start changing once we publish all these meta changes we're making. I hope maybe it'll start bringing those click-through rates up
Yeah,
from where they're at.
yeah, it should. Yeah, yeah, I think it'll be good. So like when you're ready, like you could go back through it just to make sure that you could and then press start optimizing. That's it. You just basically to go to the top here and you go to optimize all here and then you just do
Okay,
the start optimizing when you're ready and it'll just do everything.
okay,
It'll update all your JSON LD. Like you pretty much have to because you need to update all your JSON LD and your collection JSON LD and
okay.
you have a lot of yeah, you're not using the FAQs. You could use FAQs if you ever want to. There's if you ever think about You can include JSON LD FAQs for products and collections.
Oh, so that'll like show on Google.
It will, yeah, it might, yeah, it depends. You can add it as like a little block based on vendor or based on a type, like based on a collection. Like you could do it based on a collection. So all the products in a collection will have an FAQ, or you can also add the
Hmm.
collection, the FAQ at the bottom of a collection page. So that's kind of interesting too. So you could have a collection, like you could add the FAQ like right here, for example, like wherever you want.
Yeah.
You put it inside of the theme settings. It'll be the same thing for all the products within a collection or a vendor or like a product type. Actually, there's those three different settings.
Okay.
So that's another way your store could benefit if you have a lot of questions that you want people to be answered all the time. I don't know if customer support or whatever, and it could be good
Yeah.
for Google.
Okay.
Um, yeah. So, what were the questions you had written down? What specific?
Well, one of them was just that one about the variant URL, and then the other one we covered, and then the other one was just had a question about the breadcrumbs, if they were something I should be displaying on the website, but I don't really. I looked into it a little bit more. I mean, I don't know how necessary having the breadcrumbs were, but I don't think I display like the breadcrumbs on like product pages.
You can. I literally use ChatGPT to write a script. Here, updated breadcrumb code. No, wait, not this one. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, yeah. Like you can add this. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, yeah. You can add this if you wanted to inside of. I could add this to some apps. They like charge for this. It's just like crazy. Uh, you could.
I know. I was looking at like my thing. The theme has a native like breadcrumb display option, but it wasn't displaying properly. It was just showing like home and then the product.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
I
That one
didn't.
sucks. This one's good. Like I'll show you. You go to you. Let me get out of this thing. It's done. Exit. Customize. And you do. It's the same thing. Oh yeah, you go down. You can do it on both. So you go to where do you want to put it? You would put it. I think you'd put it. Yeah, I think you'd put it here. You go default product. Oh, it's right here, right? Oh, there's already
Yeah.
one
So that's
there.
the one. That's the one I had turned on. That's kind of shit. It's just literally home and then
Yeah, I can fix this
that.
one. Yeah, so okay, so that's what you can do is you can replace it. You have to find show breadcrumbs. Okay, so you go to the where's the breadcrumbs? How come I don't see it here? It's not a because it's different. There it is. You go
Some
here.
of them don't even have it on. The ones that have their own product
Yeah.
pages, I just turned it on the default just to see, and it was kind of shit, like I said. So I was like, I'm gonna probably not use their default one.
Yeah, so you do this, then you go here, you go. Okay, get out of this. Go back here, actually, go to edit. See if we can find their snippet. Maybe there's some like breadcrumb or something. Oh, here we go. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's get rid of all of it. Sorry, you need to integrate the two. Yeah, it's actually, yeah, we can do that too, actually. So we'll just save that. Let's see if it works. Right. Yeah. It does. See, now it shows. At least it shows you bestsellers. See, because it
Yeah,
doesn't know what it just chooses a collection. But bestseller's not bad.
I honestly, yeah. I mean, I'm probably gonna delete that bestsellers collection regardless because I don't use it.
Right. So if you delete it, then it'll and then
Then it should properly
right. So watch this. Okay, watch this. Watch
because
this. Watch this.
bestsellers has everything in it.
Yeah. Watch
I
this.
wonder what happens if I just quickly delete that bestsellers collection. It's like a long time ago I tried to use it, but
Okay, watch this. It's gonna be dope. ChatGPT. Watch this. Okay, integrate. Okay, here's my existing breadcrumb code, but it's not so good. But I need to keep similar HTML. So integrate the code you provided above with this base. No, active collection. Okay, we'll see. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Huh? Nav. Okay. Let's see. There you go. Now you got bestseller.
there we go. So
See
then if I
that?
delete bestseller, I'm just gonna delete bestsellers real quick and see.
I should sell this out.
No, for real.
I'm telling you,
Like,
a
look
lot
how
of
trash
people,
the one they have.
a lot of people ask. They're like, "Oh, how do I fix it?" I'm just like, "Did you not ask ChatGPT yet? Here we go, done." Right? There you go.
I'm just gonna delete the bestseller and see on proper collection. Alright. Oh yeah, look, yeah, that one has the right collection in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, that one has the right collection. And then you just have to add it to your custom collections on this one.
Yeah, so I have
Or
to
your
go now.
custom
Like that.
products.
These ones don't. Yeah, there we go. New arrivals. That's the other one I need to delete.
Right.
There's all these catch-all collections that they're probably getting funneled into, but I don't even use.
There you go. There's that one. Is there another issue on your list? See
Nope,
that?
that was it, man.
That's it. All right, man.
That was it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So, like I said, just you go review, make sure you're happy. I'm comfortable. You can press optimize all. You're not gonna have any issues. It just
Okay.
matter that if you're happy with the settings that you have chosen, perfect. To me, everything looks good.
Yeah, I mean, I was watching the whole thing. I'm probably just gonna hit optimize all and roll with it. Or did you already hit optimize all?
No, not yet. I'll let you do it because you have to do it from your admin. From my
Oh,
my
okay.
site's not
Okay.
good. But like I said, just wait 30 minutes, 45 minutes, just to make sure that plus fix that I did gets integrated. You just have to give
Okay.
it
Yeah, I'll go and do something for a little bit and then come back and do it.
perfect.